What's up guys, this is Dan, RiverSide Lawncare. We have the crew out here today. We are doing a landscape light job. Usually we do not need this many guys for landscape lighting, but we are doing a teach and train day and we're gonna be taking a video of it. This is a Airbnb from one of our customers. Currently, we're going to be landscape lighting the front, and then in the back, this last year, we built a paver patio for them, and they were having drainage issues, but when they bought the house, just in this back area, and we went ahead and installed about 150-foot French drain. So here is the patio we put in. The French drain spans from there, and it dumps out over here. So we are going to be path lighting and uplighting the house along here. We're gonna be putting a line under here, putting some path lights around the patio here, and then we're gonna be lighting this back house. At some point, we might throw some string lights up around the deck, but I think they already do that more in the busy season. But this is the patio we put in. Turned out really nice. If you're interested in a project like this, this is pretty much our specialty. We've been to all the industry standards classes for these products. So hey, we're excited to bring our community a good product and a good service. So we're gonna keep you with us today as we're doing this job, and then we're gonna give you a nighttime adjustment video, and we're gonna go from there. So appreciate you guys sticking with us. Still working on getting our pipe under there. And me and Luke, we're gonna start installing these lights. So here we go. Well guys, we are back again a few hours later. So right now we are doing a light check, making sure they're on. And then this evening, once it gets dark, we're gonna come back with a camera, and we're gonna do another video and just do a light adjustment. That's the final step, make sure the customer's happy with it. And then we also got a Wi-Fi timer for the customer so they can control these from home, given that it's an Airbnb. So they want us to be able to control it. So should be awesome. I think they're gonna like it and be very excited. I have yet to use any sort of Wi-Fi. So it should be a new experience, should be fun. So we're gonna try it out. Thanks for following us along. And Chandler, what do you think, bud? Did you have fun?
Yep.
Good time? All right, good deal.